From diagnosing issues to offering multiple affordable tiered solutions, Stuart Ritchie's Plumbing Service Group has you covered day or night. We empower you to choose what works best for you, whether it's for your home or business. Our professional service is unmatched, and we pride ourselves on providing affordable repairs and replacements. We're typically priced lower than the competition without compromising quality. With our preventative maintenance options, we catch small problems before they become big headaches, giving you peace of mind. And for those emergencies that can't wait, we offer 24/7 service, something most competitors don't. Stuart Ritchie's Plumbing Service Group. Professional, affordable, and always there when you need us.